Hey guys, today I'm start to new lecture and install the checkpoint security gateway as a head office firewall, head office CHK firewall 001 and head office CHK firewall 00 second. So today we can installation both firewall 1 and firewall 2. So let's start to the VMware. So I'm power on this virtual machine. And today I'm discussed to the assigned to the interface and IP address in last lecture. I'm already on in management server, smart dashboard. Install Gaia on this system. Press the up arrow key on keyboard. Hit the enter. Wait few seconds. And again I'm start the firewall second. Power on the virtual machine. Already I'm assigned to the interface and ISO image R80.10. Okay, this is the second firewall. This right now check the hard drive in your virtual machine. This PC is the smart dashboard. Okay, just clear to the history. First one. Yesterday I'm discussed to the in a standalone architecture and distributed architecture. So our lab is a distributed architecture, not standalone. So come to the firewall. Then okay, okay. Welcome screen. Then okay. Select your keyboard. And now here is the your partitions. So system swap partition is depend your RAM and system root partition your hard drive. So we can assign to the 37 GB as at least. Again 27 can possible to will check to the 30 GB. I don't know. It's not possible. So 25 we can remember easily. Then okay. And password is admin at the rate 123. Again admin at the rate 123. Then okay, we can select the interface and it is 01 and then okay, IP address is 190.160.10.110. Default gateway is by default it's coming, so we can change it later according our lab. Then okay, just hit the enter and tab. So next screen is coming, so we can change to the right now in firewall. So I'm came to the second firewall is our lab. Then okay, select the okay. Then 25 GB, 25. Okay, we need to the same is a configuration in both firewall. Otherwise, our cluster is not configuration. That time is very difficult actually. So please remember to that point is we need to the same configuration on our firewall. Only password is a different if can possible, but we need to the same configuration means inside interface is the same, outside interface is the same, both firewall. Suppose outside interface we can select to the E00 and firewall second. Okay, firewall 2, but firewall 1 I am selected to in F00. Firewall 1 we can select to the inside interface this one, and firewall 2 inside interface this one. So it cannot possible to the configure the cluster. So please, cluster is a requirement is the same configuration both firewall. So I'm select to the interface, then okay, password, sorry, IP address 10.120.0, then 0 10.254 somethings. Okay, then okay, okay. So we need to the more 10 and 15 minutes. So I'm pause the recording. Okay, so now reboot system. So both firewall is in reboot. Admin at the red 123, and this one is a management server icon, and so CMD we can check our IP address in smart dashboard. Default gateway is 100. Okay, okay. So we can check, and so I can ping in, can I check the connectivity 192.168.110 is ping to the continuously. Okay, not reachable. Okay, CMD pconfig. Okay, ping 9.168.10.120 continuously. Okay, okay, IP address is wrong actually. 10 dot. Okay, so by default is a ICMP packet is disabled once we complete the firewall installations. So that's why I'm pinging to the continuously right now here. So HTTPS 192.168.10.110 and second firewall 10.120, then continue admin at the rate 123. I have installation first firewall 110. Once I install certificate in Windows in, so then we can access to easily. Okay, no issue. Then refresh again. same issue and not like that issue. Okay, so it's correct. Once we check here platform VMware also, then next today I'm discussed about deployment options here and management also 110.254.0 Ethernet 01. Okay, this is management interface. This one interface to connect internet, no, not internet. Okay, then next, now here head office firewall dash 001. Next, we can assign to the via command line a domain IP address and domain name also. Next, now here select to the next. So already I'm discussed to here either both security gateway and security management servers. We can check here. So there is this considered to the standalone deployment. Now I'm installing security gateway, so we can remove security management server, and also I'm installing the cluster. So now I'm installing the enable in cluster Excel. Now not virtual VRRP. I'm enable only cluster and define the security management as server primary. Then next, now here SIG communication. We have separate lecture about SIG communication. So I'm assign password is a SIG communication. SIG @123. That next, then finish. Okay. Now I'm checking SMP packet is continuously in reply. So once finish the checkpoint firewall installation, then SMP packet block, because SMP packet by default is disable on checkpoint firewall. Like that Cisco is in SMP packet is depend on security zones, who is allow inside outsides, like that's only. So now I'm installation firewall second. Next, next, next. So part of the very easy. So installation ho dash fw dash chk dash fw 002. I hope. Then okay, click to the restart. Then okay, reboot the first firewall. Once back to the off, so request timeout is coming. Only within 2 minutes installation complete successfully. Security gateway enable the cluster. Then next, SIG communication. Yes, I see at rate 123. 123. Then finish. Once back online, so SMP packet also drop because by default policy is enable on checkpoint firewall. We can able to the login via HTTPS and also SSH, but SMP packet I am not able to login. Now we can login. Yeah, this look like RET.10. So guys, installation start running on. So now I'm stop the video. So we can discuss to the next lecture how to add to the management server on gateway and both gateway and add to management server and how to access to the via smart console. So thanks guys.